You want to make a quick and super tasty Chinese dish that will please all your guests. The caramel chicken is the best choice. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by cutting 4 chicken thighs into chunks. Remove their skin and bones. Marinate them with a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix and let it rest while preparing the other ingredients. Cut 15 grams of ginger into thin slices. 2 garlic cloves into small pieces. Chop 5 grams of spring onion. To prepare the sauce, take 7 centiliters of water and add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and ground pepper. Combine. Everything is ready. We can start cooking. Put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let caramelize. When you see the beautiful color of caramel, put the chicken. Then the ginger and the garlic. Stir for 15 seconds. Put the sauce. Stir from time to time for 3 minutes. Then cut the fire. Sprinkle with the spring onion. Serve it with a bowl of rice. Alors, bon appétit!
Merci.
Alors,
J'ai attrapé.
qui va pour la sauce?
Moi, je veux
Toi aussi, t'en veux? The chicken is cooked properly, tender, juicy, well soaked in sauce. In this version, the dish is not dry. You can sprinkle the rice with the sauce. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.